What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to be changing the sunroof on the Integra. So instead of changing like the whole sunroof assembly, the assembly where the glass goes, and you can take that off from the top. There's 6 bolts holding it together, and I'll show you right now how I'm gonna do it. So what you do is you open the sunroof about halfway, and then that way you have access to the bottom of it. There's 6 bolts right there. I don't know if you can see them right there. That's 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 more on this side. 1, I already took that one off, so that's 2 and 3. And to take them off, use an Allen wrench. It's a 5mm. And let's go ahead and take it off really quick. So once you have all the bolts out, you just pull the whole assembly up like this and throw it away. So that's where the bolts go, right there, right there, right there, right here, right here, and right there. And then you just grab your new assembly with the glass, put it on, align it, and then bolt it back in. Let's go ahead and grab it. So if you have a sunroof that's already off the car and it's closed all the way, what you do is put your same 5mm Allen wrench where the motor goes, and then just crank it counterclockwise, and it opens. Yeah, my little helper, she's taking off the alarm system. She's putting those plastics back together, and she's really good. So this sunroof had broken rails, so it wouldn't go up all the way, so I had to take it all apart. There's one 10mm nut on each corner, so that one, that, and that. And there's 3 Phillips head on each side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more on that side. And then the whole assembly with the glass comes apart from that piece, and then you just take 2 10mm bolts from the motor, these 2, and the little cables that go around it, just pop out, and you're able to take out the whole piece. And then after that, you just have the glass like this with the little pieces that go right here, and then you just take off the 3 bolts. And then after that, you just close the sunroof to that position right there. You set down the glass slowly, and right there you're able to start putting in the bolts. The hardest bolt to put back in is the one in the back. So you kind of have to what I did is I taped the bolt onto the Allen wrench, and I put my hand all the way in the back and put it in like that. But it is kind of hard. So after that, you close the sunroof completely, leave the bolts a little bit loose, and then push it down to get it leveled on all corners. That side too. Push it down, and then open it up again a little bit, tighten down all the bolts, and you're done. I hope you guys learned something from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you later.